Welcome back, guys. This is a very simple homemade juice that you can make at home with only two fruits. This is going to help you grow your hair from the inside, and it is also going to help you glow your skin. So to make this juice, we are going to be using carrots. Carrot is rich in vitamins which help to promote healthy hair growth and also help to glow your skin. Carrots can be eaten raw or juiced to get the maximum benefits, which is what I'm doing in this video. I'm simply going to juice my carrot, and this is very good for hair growth. Like I always say, always try to take supplement that will help you grow your hair from the inside while you're also using treatment for the outer layer of your hair. So the second ingredient I'm using is watermelon. Watermelon is a great source of vitamin C and other antioxidants which help to reduce skin damage and also help to promote healthy hair growth. So at this point, guys, you can go ahead and add a little water or milk to help your blender, but I'm not going to be adding anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this off camera.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light.
So after blending, I'm going to just go ahead and filter this to get my juice.
Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.
So this is what we have, guys. You can serve this with some ice cube, or you can also spice it up with some other fruits. But I was particular about carrots because carrot contains biotin, which is very great for healthy hair growth and nails. You can decide to add other fruits, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.